Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you a quick unboxing of the MCHOSE ACE 60 Pro mechanical keyboard. Thanks to our sponsor Banggood for sending this keyboard for review. I also have some special discount codes from Banggood. Add this keyboard to your gaming setup using the discount codes and the link in the video description. Now without wasting any further time, let's unbox this brand new gaming keyboard. The A60 Pro is a standout 60% mechanical gaming keyboard that delivers premium features at an affordable price point. Priced between $39 and $75, it offers exceptional value for gamers and keyboard enthusiasts alike. Despite its compact 60% layout, the A60 Pro boasts a sturdy plastic chassis with an aluminum plate, providing a solid and stable typing experience. The double-shot PBT keycaps are durable and feature shine-through legends, enhancing the vibrant RGB backlighting. While the keyboard lacks adjustable feet, the rubberized pads ensure it stays firmly in place during intense gaming sessions. Equipped with blue ice magnetic switches, the A60 Pro offers a smooth and responsive typing experience. These pre-lubed switches minimize stem wobble and provide a consistent feel across all keys. The keyboard's hot swappable design allows easy customization, enabling users to experiment with different types of switches. The A60 Pro shines in gaming scenarios, featuring an impressive 8K polling rate and rapid trigger functionality. These features ensure ultra-low latency and swift key actuation, giving gamers a competitive edge. The customizable actuation points, adjustable via web-based software, allow for fine-tuning to individual preferences. The keyboard's RGB lighting is vibrant and fully customizable through web-based software. Users can personalize lighting effects and key mappings, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. The software interface is user-friendly, making customization accessible even to beginners. You can easily adjust the lighting modes, brightness, light effect speed, and colors using the function key on your keyboard. Now let's take a closer look at the MCHOSE web-based software. In the first tab, you can easily change the light effects, speed and brightness. In the trigger setting, you can easily change the trigger actuation points, and you can turn on quick trigger option. In the key remapping, you can customize the keys of your keyboard. In the advanced keys tab, you can create different combination of keys. In the performance setting, you can change the polling rate, stability mode, and different settings from this tab. In other settings, you can easily update your firmware, and you can also reset your keyboard. The A60 Pro is a remarkable mechanical keyboard that combines performance, customization, and affordability. Its gaming-centric features such as the high polling rate and rapid trigger make it an excellent choice for competitive gamers. Meanwhile, the hot swappable switches and customizable RGB lighting appeal to keyboard enthusiasts seeking personalization. Despite minor drawbacks like the plastic casing and the fixed typing angle, the A60 Pro offers exceptional value and is a worthy addition to any setup. Thank you for watching this video. I will talk to you guys in the next one.